June 10th, 2018. I didn't show all the steps to this, but yesterday my husband Chris helped me to we made a 2-foot hole in the ground and we put half a cinder block in there for support. Then we cut this post down to 7 feet and buried it 2 feet, so now it's 5 feet tall. Here is the post. It looks really nice. So now we're gonna install the top part. Here's the post all finished up. It looks really nice. Here's what it looks like from underneath. I followed another tutorial. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see how it's built. This is 5 feet tall. June 11th, 2018. So the dragon fruit trellis is finally done. I am very happy with how it turned out, and I planted my 3 dragon fruits on it already. Now, these have been out in the yard, and they were knocked over by Hurricane Irma last year, and just poor things have been through a really bad time. And a frost, that's why they look so bad and burnt both by heat and by cold. So I'm hoping they'll adapt to this. I know one's a red one, one's a white one, and one's a purple one. But I have no idea now which one's which, and probably won't know until they make fruits later on, probably next year. So hopefully they'll climb up the trellis and make a nice little palm tree looking thing. This one is the tallest one right now. And I don't know, I've learned a few more things about dragon fruits since I first got these like 2 years ago. And I learned about the ones that are self-pollinating. I don't know if these self-pollinate, but that's why I got 3. But I don't know, if I don't like them, maybe I'll just rip them out and start all over again and get cuttings that I know for sure are self-pollinating, so I'm not out here fighting with their thorns and trying to pollinate them by myself. Alright, so cool. That's the update on the dragon fruit.